Welcome to Alberobello, a fairy tale village. Imagine a village straight out of a storybook. Picture charming houses with cone-shaped roofs, nestled amidst rolling hills. This is Alberobello, Italy, a place where time seems to stand still. The moment you arrive, you'll be captivated by its unique beauty. Alberobello is like stepping into a real-life fairy tale. Get ready to be enchanted. The trulli houses are what make Alberobello truly special. These small whitewashed houses are instantly recognizable with their conical roofs. Built from local limestone without mortar, each trullo is a masterpiece of simple yet effective construction. The roofs are often adorned with decorative symbols, adding to their charm. The trulli were originally designed to be easily dismantled. This allowed residents to avoid paying taxes back in the day. Today, these unique homes have been lovingly restored. Many are now charming shops, restaurants, and even hotels. You can stay in a trullo, dine in a trullo, and even buy souvenirs in a trullo. Alberobello's extraordinary trulli houses have earned it a special place on the world stage. These unique structures, with their whitewashed walls and conical roofs, are unlike anything else you'll find in the world. In 1996, UNESCO designated Alberobello as a World Heritage Site, recognizing its exceptional cultural significance. This prestigious recognition celebrates the town's outstanding universal value, highlighting its unique contribution to human history and architecture. The trulli are not just houses, they are a unique example of a traditional building technique that has survived for centuries. These structures are built using local limestone and feature a distinctive dry stone construction method. Being a UNESCO World Heritage Site means that Alberobello is recognized for its importance to the cultural heritage of humanity. This status brings global attention and helps ensure the town's preservation. It also helps to protect and preserve this magical place for future generations to enjoy. Conservation efforts are ongoing to maintain the integrity and authenticity of the trulli. Visiting Alberobello is like taking a step back in time and experiencing a way of life that has remained largely unchanged for centuries. The town offers a glimpse into a simpler, more traditional way of living, making it a truly enchanting destination. Section 4. Exploring the heart of Alberobello. Alberobello is a small town, easy to explore on foot. Its charm lies in its unique architecture and the welcoming atmosphere that invites you to wander. Lose yourself in the labyrinthine streets of the Rione Monti district. Each turn reveals a new perspective of this enchanting place. Here you'll find the highest concentration of trulli, the iconic whitewashed stone huts with conical roofs that define Alberobello's skyline. Many of these trulli are now shops selling local crafts and souvenirs. It's a perfect place to pick up a unique memento of your visit. Don't miss the Trullo Sovrano, a must-see landmark in the town. The largest trullo in Alberobello, it stands as a testament to the town's rich history and architectural ingenuity. Today, it houses a museum where you can learn about the history and culture of the region. For stunning views over the town, head to the Belvedere Santa Lucia. This viewpoint offers a breathtaking panorama, perfect for capturing the essence of Alberobello. It's the perfect spot to capture that iconic photo of Alberobello's truly studded landscape, a memory you'll cherish forever. In the evening, enjoy a leisurely dinner at a trullo restaurant. The ambiance is cozy and the setting is truly unique. Savor the flavors of Puglia with fresh local ingredients and regional specialties. Each dish tells a story of the region's culinary heritage. Section 5. Experiences unique to Alberobello. Alberobello offers experiences you won't find anywhere else. This charming town with its iconic trulli houses provides a unique blend of history, culture, and local traditions. Spend a night in a trullo hotel and wake up to the sound of birdsong. These traditional stone huts offer a cozy and authentic stay, making you feel like you've stepped back in time. Take a cooking class and learn to make orecchiette, the traditional ear-shaped pasta of Puglia. Using fresh, local ingredients, you'll discover the secrets of Pugliese cuisine and enjoy a delicious meal you've prepared yourself. Or join a guided tour to delve deeper into the history and culture of this fascinating region. Knowledgeable guides will share stories and insights that bring the town's rich heritage to life. For a truly immersive experience, visit during one of Alberobello's many festivals. These vibrant events showcase the town's lively spirit and offer a chance to mingle with locals. The Festa della Luce in July sees the town illuminated with thousands of lights, creating a magical atmosphere. The streets come alive with music, dance, and a dazzling display of lights. The week-long festival of San Cosma e Damiano in September features religious processions, traditional music, and delicious food stalls. It's a celebration of faith, culture, and community that you won't want to miss. Section 6. Discover the magic yourself. Alberobello is more than just a pretty village, it's a journey into a world of wonder and charm. From the moment you arrive, you'll be enchanted by its unique atmosphere, friendly locals, and of course, the iconic trulli houses. Whether you're seeking history, culture, or simply a picturesque escape, Alberobello has something to offer everyone. So what are you waiting for? Add Alberobello to your travel bucket list and discover the magic for yourself.